In this video, you will learn how to file a tax extension on H&R Block. Sign in to H&R Block online or on My Block. Log into your H&R Block account using your online platform or the mobile app. Start the extension process. Navigate to the section where you can file a tax extension, typically using IRS Form 4868. Enter your estimated tax due. Estimate how much federal tax you owe and enter it. You must also be prompted to make a payment. Submit the extension. H&R Block will electronically file the Form 4868 with the IRS on your behalf. Print and save confirmation. After submission, you will receive a confirmation number. Save or print it from your MyBlock account for your records. Pay any amount owed by tax day. Even though you might get time to file, any taxes still owed must be paid by the original deadline, usually mid-April, to avoid penalties, interest or extra fees. Now you know how to file a tax extension in H&R Block. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.